there, this is Marty Owings at the Capitol, and much like the Capitol, the legislative session remains unfinished. The work this year has not been completed if you measure that work by getting a bonding bill done. The legislative session normally bonds in even years, and so they had 11 weeks to attempt to get a bonding bill done for this session. In a dramatic failure of the proposed $1 billion bonding bill, lawmakers were unable to pass that in the House, so no bill will go to the governor. Now that leaves in limbo whether or not a special session will actually occur to pass a bonding bill, but it leaves a lot of state projects across our state unfinished and unfunded. So what happened was basically a bonding bill was passed in the House, went to the Senate added an amendment, sent it back over to the House, but it was too late by then for the bill to be passed, so bonding was not done in the 2016 legislative session. One measure that was passed was a $182 million supplemental budget bill passed by the Senate, which included money for jobs, energy and equity, state government, E-12 education, public safety, environment, and agriculture. The one area that didn't get funding in that bill was health and human services, which ended up with nothing. In addition to that, they passed a $257 million tax bill, which some Republicans called a true compromise bill because of the things it contained and the way it brought lawmakers together to reconcile some of the items in the bill. Concerns were raised by the Democrats over the end of sessions negotiations, what they said were not transparent enough. In particular, they were angry about the backdoor negotiations at the last minute. For instance, on the bonding bill, they were given a large bill and only 3 hours to review it and no public scrutiny. Democrats argued that this was definitely not the way to end a session, part of the reason that the work didn't get done on the bonding bill. Of course, that'll make great fodder for the campaign trail, but nonetheless, these are the arguments the Democrats put forward. For their part, Republicans say Democrats had enough time to negotiate through the process and understand really what was coming in the bill, and that the 3.5 hours was a lot better than the 10 minutes or 20 minutes they got last session. So I heard one Democrat say that was an improvement. Nonetheless, the work is not done here at the legislative session if you consider the bonding bill the work that really needed to get done here. That basically wraps up the legislative session and our coverage unless we have a special session. So for Katie DeSell and the entire Minnesota Capitol News crew, I'm Marty Owings. So long, everybody.